Imagine a place so far from land, so isolated, that the closest humans are often astronauts orbiting above. This is Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, a place where solitude reigns supreme. Named after the famous submarine captain from Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Point Nemo sits in the heart of the South Pacific Gyre, a vast whirlpool of currents. It is a place of extremes, where the ocean's depths hold secrets yet to be uncovered. Point Nemo isn't marked by a signpost or a buoy bobbing on the surface. Its location, at 48 degrees 52.6 minutes south, 123 degrees 23.6 minutes west, is a precise calculation. A point in the vast ocean equidistant from the nearest landmasses. To the north lies Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands. To the northeast, Motu Nui, one of the Easter Islands, breaks the horizon. And to the south, Meher Island, off the coast of Antarctica, completes the triangle of remoteness. This isolation, this sheer distance from any landmass, is what makes Point Nemo truly unique. The waters surrounding Point Nemo are often called a marine desert. But unlike the sandy dunes we usually picture, this desert is a watery expanse, seemingly barren and devoid of life. The reason for this lies in the ocean currents. The South Pacific Gyre, a massive rotating system of currents, traps nutrient-poor water at its center. These swirling waters act like a barrier, preventing the influx of nutrient-rich currents that support abundant marine ecosystems. Despite the challenging conditions, life, as it often does, finds a way. While the surface waters may be scarce in nutrients, the depths surrounding Point Nemo teem with unique and often bizarre creatures adapted to the extreme pressure and darkness. Giant squid, some exceeding 40 feet in length, are thought to patrol these depths, their massive eyes scanning for prey in the perpetual gloom. Other denizens of the deep, like anglerfish with their bioluminescent lures, add an eerie beauty to this alien landscape. Point Nemo, despite its remoteness, has not escaped the notice of humanity. Polynesians, skilled navigators and seafarers, likely traverse the waters near Point Nemo on their epic voyages across the Pacific. In more recent times, the area has attracted the attention of scientists keen to study the unique oceanographic conditions and the life that thrives in this extreme environment. Research vessels have braved the long journey to Point Nemo, their findings shedding light on the mysteries of the deep. Visiting the point of no return. Don't expect to find tour boats or cruise ships offering excursions to Point Nemo. Reaching this remote location requires a significant commitment in terms of time, resources, and a tolerance for solitude. The journey, typically by research vessel, takes several weeks, and the conditions can be challenging, with rough seas and unpredictable weather. But for those intrepid adventurers seeking the ultimate in isolation, Point Nemo offers an experience unlike any other. A graveyard for fallen stars of the satellite kind. Point Nemo's remoteness has made it an ideal location for a rather unique purpose, a spacecraft cemetery. When satellites reach the end of their operational life, they need to be brought down safely. Point Nemo, with its lack of human habitation and minimal marine traffic, provides a safe zone for these deorbiting spacecraft to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere and splash down into the ocean. The remnants of these technological marvels scattered across the ocean floor serve as a reminder of humanity's reach, even to the most isolated corners of our planet. The future of Point Nemo. As our planet grapples with the impacts of climate change and pollution, even remote locations like Point Nemo are not immune. Changes in ocean currents, rising sea temperatures, and the increasing presence of plastic pollution threaten the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Protecting Point Nemo and the surrounding waters is crucial, not just for the sake of the life that exists there, but also for the valuable insights it can provide into the health of our oceans as a whole. Conclusion: a place of mystery and wonder. Point Nemo, the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, stands as a testament to the vastness and mystery of our oceans. It is a place of extremes where isolation and solitude reign supreme, yet life, in its most unusual forms, finds a way to thrive. As we continue to explore and understand our planet, Point Nemo serves as a reminder that there are still places on Earth where wonder and discovery await, urging us to protect and preserve these last vestiges of wilderness for generations to come.